invest in yourself, invest in your hygiene. Don't let these people tell you, oh, you doing too much, oh, that's too much, that's too many steps. It don't take all that. Hygeine, it's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, I will be talking about things that every woman needs in their shower essentials. So if that's something that you would like to see, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and jump right on into the video. First thing I would like to say for things every woman needs in their shower routine, shower essentials to upgrade their body care or to upgrade their shower experience. I'm going to share a few of my shower essentials that I like to have to upgrade my shower experience. Disclaimer, I just want to put out here, just because you don't have any of these items that I'm going to be showing you doesn't mean that your shower experience or your shower is less than any of mine. This is mainly for the extra girlies who like to take their body care to the next level. Okay, I just want to put that out there. Okay, let's go ahead and do the basic things that I feel like that you would need for your shower experience. So firstly, I would say yes, you need you a hand towel, a rag, a bath cloth. You need a bath cloth. Hands down, bath cloth. Bath cloth, bath cloth. Secondly, this can go second or this can go third. You need a cleansing soap or a cleansing body wash, whichever you prefer, but you need something that's gonna cleanse, get that dirt off of you. Scrub your body. You need something to scrub, get it all off of you. And also, I know some people like to use feminine wash, so you can have your rag or you can use your hands to wash your lady parts. And things that I normally use for my lady parts are Original Dove, and this is the one I like to use. I like to use this one or the other one, the darker blue one. Use this for your lady parts and all over your body. You kill two birds with one stone. You can use just this for both areas. Or if you just want to use a feminine wash for your lady parts, I use this one. I use Honey Pot, and I have also used Summer's Ease before. You know, I'm not even gonna act like I haven't used Summer's Ease before. I feel like we all been in that little rabbit hole, but I don't use Summer's Ease anymore, so I just like to stick with this or this. That's it for the basics. If you want to keep it at that and keep it pushing, then that's it. But for my girls who like to elevate their shower experience, then I have some more products for you. And I'm actually going to do this in the order of how I would do it when I get in the shower. So first things first, we're going to talk about tools, things that you use. Of course, you need your towel, your bath cloth, rag, whatever which you call it. I like to use white bath cloths if I am using a bath cloth. I also like to go in with some other things. I'm using the exfoliating hand gloves. They have different brands. It doesn't matter, whichever you feel like you want to get. Also a loofah. I don't have a loofah, but I also have something similar to a loofah, and this is a body sponge. And I also have this exfoliating wash towel. It's very long. You know, you can get your back, you know, real good. Also some other tools that I do not have that I have heard good reviews about, which is an African net towel. Also, you can use one of those back scrubbers, but to be honest, y'all, I haven't came across a back scrubber that is not so harsh that kind of like hurt. Like, you know, I'm all for, like, you know, scrubbing. I'm all for scrubbing, but those back scrubbers that I have used in the past have been so hard. And then maybe I just have yet to come across a back scrubber that's more gentle. But I don't use a back scrubber anymore, so I just like to use my stretchy, you know, towel. So those are mainly like the tools, the, you know, stuff you got to, you know, use. To each his own. To the people who just like to use their hands, but me on the other hand, I got the scrub. I got the scrub. Now, I will say, I feel like it's totally fine to, you know, use your hands for your lady parts. That's totally fine. You know, now if I'm going to use my hands with anything in the shower, well, it's other things I use my hands for in the shower. Oh, that just didn't sound right. But anyway, stop, get your mind out the gutter, get your mind out the gutter. But it is for my, you know, lady parts, you know. For me personally, I love a bar soap. I love a bar soap. I can use this one, like I said, or I use the other blue one. I have to have me a bar soap to go in first. Like, I have to. Like, I just have to. I just feel like it just makes me feel extra clean. I don't know what you use. Y'all drop in the comments what y'all like to use to actually like cleanse your body. And once again, I'm going to mention again this for the lady parts. I already really kind of talked about that. It's very gentle. And I don't mind using, my hands when I use this. I don't necessarily have to have a hand towel, when I use this. And I feel like a lot of them only use like some of these like foamy ones. They don't call for you to actually use a washcloth. Normally they say, use your hands. So after we done cleansed our body with the bar soap, I like to go in with a moisturizing body wash. I have a few body washes I'm going to show you that I like to use. Who doesn't love a good old body wash? I'm a sucker for body wash. I love body wash. Like, I love body wash so much, but you can't never have too many body washes. That's what I tell myself. I would like to say some of these body washes I'm about to show you are new. Some of them have been open. I just recently came across this brand. It's called Cremo. Y'all, I love this. I love the way it lathers up. It smells 10 out of 10 recommend. And to be honest, y'all, this is actually men's body wash. And it really don't say men for men or for women, but I know it's over there in the men's area. I'm a sucker for masculine, strong scents. But this is the body wash here. It's bourbon vanilla. It's a rich lathering body wash to keep you perfectly moisturized and smelling fresh all day. You can definitely smell this on you once you get out the shower. Bring back that moisture within my body. Next we have Dove Body Love Moisture Boost. This is like one of their new lines. It's not new, but it has been a new line that they have. But this is actually a moisture boost body cleanser with hyaluronic serum and moringa oil. I don't know if y'all ever came across this brand here, but I definitely love how to use this. And I'm assuming you can actually like just wash your body, like cleanse, like a cleanse step with this, but I choose not to. I like to go in with this after I actually cleanse. Other two products, y'all gonna be like, girl, you is a Dove-aholic. I love some Dove products. Of course we have to have the actual sensitive skin. And I also have this Dove right here, and this is Snow Blossom. So these are some body washes too. Rest got some good body washes. They're very strong and they are very lingering on your body. And Caress Shea Butter and Brown Sugar for gorgeous radiant skin. And it's an exfoliating body wash. So this is like a 2-in-1. I love this. This smells so good. It's very warm and like creamy, and this is a good scent. And I love it has those very like fine exfoliating beads in there where it's not too harsh on your skin. It's just the right amount that you need for your body. Like, I love this one. It's another like body wash scrub, and by the OGX brand, and this is the Smoothing Coconut Coffee Scrub and Wash. This is very good for your skin as well. So this is another good body wash that I like to use. And last but not least is by Body by TPH, the Wind Down Relaxing Creamy Body Cleanser. And this is the Lang Lang Plus Palo Santo body wash. I love this body wash. I love the way it smells. It smells so good. The only thing about this body wash, I feel like you have to have an exfoliating towel like the one I just showed you, or you have to have some type of, I don't feel like this works, I don't feel like this pairs well with like a regular hand towel. I feel like you need a loofah, exfoliating towel, an African neck, like you need something, because I feel like it just don't give me that lather like how it does with those other like type of tools that you use. And then y'all have seen me talk about this on my channel before. I actually have a whole video on my channel talking about Body by TPH. Check that video out. Okay, so those all of the moisturizing body washes that I like to use from time to time. Onto some more stuff to elevate our shower experience, which leads me to is shaving products. It's a lot of shaving products out there, and it's a lot of them that I have tried, and it's a lot of them that I haven't tried. But I do have two shaving products that I would like to show you. The Shea Butter 24 Hour Moisture Shave Cream and Vanilla Bliss. I really love products by EOS. If you know, you know. You want to shave, you want to get that hair, the extra hair off your body. You have the OG, what I feel like we all have used once in our lifetime and is still using currently, is just Nair. Like Nair. And to actually show you my scrubs first, because I like to go in with a scrub before I was meaning to show you the body scrubs that I like to use before I show you the actual shaving cream, because I like to use body scrubs or go in with a body scrub before I actually shave to help prevent ingrown hairs, you know, different stuff like that of that sort. Started by TPH, and this is Baby Buff, and this is actually a body polish. It's a exfoliating body polish with lactic acid. You know, lactic acid is good for the skin, and the scent is vanilla plus tuberose. And you have seen me talk about this body polish once before on my channel, but no, I really think people be sleeping on Dr. Teal's body scrubs. And I have this one here, and it's just the Shea Sugar Scrub, shea butter and almond oil with essential oils. And I love this one. And this one is very moisturizing too. And last but not least, you know, I still got body scrubs for days and days and days. But this one in particular, this is a newbie. This is a newbie, and I did not know that they had body scrubs by this brand. And this is the EOS or EOS body scrub, and which is actually called the Shea Butter Cashmere Pre-Shave Scrub with Cashmere Smooth Complex, prep skin, soften hair, and minimize ingrown. So that's why I had mentioned earlier that I like to go in with a body scrub before I actually shave, because it helps prevent some of those things that I just named. And this is bomb. If you know, you know. If any of y'all had the EOS Vanilla and Cashmere body lotion, this is the scrub to it. It's here. It's here. The body. They need to come out with a body wash now. They need to come out with a body wash. They need to come out with some perfume. They need to come out with everything of that scent, because girl, y'all, when I tell you that scent smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. It smells like a birthday cake. It just smells so good. It smells so good. Body odor or your smell experience to take you to the next level, y'all, you have to layer your products. Of course, you're going with your no scent, or if you do like to use a scent like body or soap cleanser, it's fine. But you want to use a body wash, body scrub, lotion, body spray, perfume that all have the same notes. That's what's gonna take your scent. That's what's gonna make you smell good all day and long lasting. I have learned that over the past few months, honey. That has have everybody in chokehold, which is layering their products with different brands, high end with Bath and Body Works, or Bath and Body Works with drugstore. Like, that's what's gonna take you to smell good experience to the next level, is layering your body products. Like, I recommend layering your body products. All those things, that's what's gonna take your shower experience to the next level, because it just make you feel so good when you know you're like, oh, I got me some new products, or I got me some products and my body about to feel so good. And like, just enjoy that moment. Have your shower nice, hot and steamy. I know a hot shower may not be what we need to be using, but me, I love a good old hot steaming shower to the point where, like, you know how you hit your back and it be like, yo, I love a hot shower. Like, to be honest, I'd be like, I'm about to go talk to my maintenance people. Can they like turn up my hot water heater a notch? I love a good burning shower. I just do. And then, you know, sometimes, you know, you can elevate your shower experience with like shower steamers, have you some good lighting, you know, going on, some music, different things. I love to take my shower to the next level. Share my shower must-haves. You don't necessarily have to have all these type of products like the actual brand that I use. You can have any type of brand of products. Invest in yourself, invest in your hygiene. Like, you want to smell good. Hygiene is important. Like, hygiene is very, very, very much important. So if you want to invest in your little hygiene, do that. Don't let these people tell you, oh, you doing too much. Oh, that's too much. That's too many steps. It don't take all that. For me, it does. I like to do the extra steps sometimes. Sometimes we got to show our body some TLC, and that's okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any question on anything I have said in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.